Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a snowman. Let's start off by drawing the scarf with a wavy line curving down, then turning to the right. Then, extend the top end with a curve going to the right, dips in the middle, another wavy line down, and a turn back to the middle like so. Add some wrinkles with some thin lines going across it. Then, draw the ends of the scarf that hang down with a wavy line coming down, a sharp turn up to the right, and another wavy line going back up to the scarf. Do that one more time just to the right of it, making it a bit longer. Then, add some short lines sticking out of the bottom for the fringe. Another thin line along the scarf for a wrinkle, and more short lines on this end for the fringe. For the head, draw two vertical curves up from the scarf like so. Then, draw a really wide, flat, oval shape going from here all the way around to here, leaving the bottom open. And connect these ends with a line going across, following the edge of the oval. On top, draw a line curving up to the left, a sharp turn to the right, and a turn back down to the oval. Then, add a stripe across this area to finish off the hat. For the upper body, draw a curve coming down from here, continuing behind the scarf, going across and curving up to this point here. And for the lower body, draw two lines curving down from either side, with a lumpy line running across the bottom for the snow on the floor. For the arms, draw some crooked lines sticking out from the sides like this, with a small Y shape at the end for the hands. And finally, draw a long sideways triangle shape on the head for the carrot nose. Two big dots for the eyes, some smaller dots along the bottom for the smile, and three more dots in a line for the buttons. And now you've got a snowman! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.